Hi guys. So I have invented like a little activity. Well, not really invented it, but just like found this little activity that is called Self Explorers, and I think it would be kind of fun to try it and try to learn from it the different parts of the cells. So once you get into this website, the National Geographic.org Interactive Self Explorers, then you're gonna click the little arrow right here. So I'm going to be skipping through it so you will see it as quickly as possible. So basically, you have like a bad guy, and he has put something in a cell, and you have to go through the cell to check out to cure or to do the antivirus. So I don't know if you can hear it, but basically, I'm just gonna skip through it. It basically says that you're gonna go through the different parts of the cell and try to find an antivirus in it. So you will need your keyboard um, to move and to use the flag. So as you can see, you will need your keyboard to move up and down and back and forwards. And you will also need your keyboard to use your blaster. So let's see. Again, do not judge. This is the first time I am playing this. So right now I am trying to get to the cell membrane. Um, but I guess the evil doctor or something, he put some different viruses and stuff in it to not let me get to that cell. So again, you have different parts. Again, I'm sorry for the dogs. Yeah, I'm so sorry for the dogs. I cannot control that. So you have the different parts. It tells you what they do, different parts of the cells and what they do. For example, this is the membrane and tells you that it gets in nutrients and takes away the waste. It also talking about the cytoplasm, and we talk about this on our last class. It also talking about the organelles that we also talked about in our last class. Um, Again, now this is going to tell us a little bit more deeper about the different parts of the cell, and I want you to figure out what type of cell are we in, and try to kill this as quickly as possible. So if I die, please do not judge. So we just got to the cell membrane. I'm just attacking it as best as I can to get through it. And there we go. That is one of part of the antivirus. So you will continue going through this game and see the different parts of the cell. So again, this is just gonna take you for different parts of the cell. I think you have unlimited lives. If you die, you can continue, but just in case. So as you can see, those are the parts that we're gonna be seeing through the cells. We already went through the cell membrane. Now we're gonna go to the vacuole, then to the mitochondrion, then to the Golgi apparatus, then to the endoplasmic reticulums, and then we're gonna be on the nucleus. So we're gonna be going through all those spaces to get the antivirus. I'm gonna leave it right here. It's also gonna tell you what each part of the cell is doing or what does it does. And once you finish this, go to your Google form and try to answer just a few questions about it. One of them is what is the cell, that you know what it is. The other one is what is an organelle, and we already talked about the organelles. The other one is going to tell you that according to the game, what parts of the cell did we visit. You have here the cell membrane, the vacuole, the mitochondria, the Golgi apparatus, the endoplasmic reticulums, and the nucleus. Then the other question, I think it was what type of cell is she on, and why does she think that she's on that cell? You're gonna see if you continue, the character is gonna tell you that if she is in a eukaryotic cell or a prokaryotic cell, and why does she think that? If for any reasons you cannot play the game, do not worry. Just look at this video until this part and feel as much as you can. Just remember that the parts of the cell that we're going to be talking about is going to be the cell membrane, the vacuole, the mitochondria, the Golgi apparatus, then the plasmic reticulums, and the nucleus, and what they each one of those do. And all that information is on your book. So I hope you enjoy this little activity. And if you have any questions, you know you can ask me anything through WhatsApp. And hope you have a nice day and an awesome weekend. Bye.